Good morning, students. Again, welcome back to the Kumar's Maths Academy. So, as you know that yesterday we have discussed the multiplication of polynomials. Okay, I hope my screen is visible to you. Okay, okay. Yesterday we have discussed multiplication of polynomial. So the concept that we have discussed, now it's time to let us apply this concept in some exercise questions. So let us start with the exercise. Okay, it's 9.2. So exercise 9.2. I will share you the textbook screen of the NCERT textbook. Just give me a minute. I think now my white screen is visible to you. Okay. So let us start exercise 9.2. This one exercise is 9.2. This one. Okay. So question number first, find the product of the following monomials. Means all there will be two monomials in this question. In this question also two monomials. So here means the multiplication of monomials by monomials if the two monomials are given. Okay. So let us solve first question. That one very easy. 4 into 7p. First part 4 into 7p. So it's very easy. 7 4s are 28 and p. And second part, if you are talking about minus 4 times p into 7p. So it's very easy. 7 4s are 28. But keep in your mind there is minus sign, so minus 28 and p into p, that will give you p square. Third part, that is minus 4p into 7pq. It will give you again 28. 7 4s are 28 and p is there too, 1 and 1. So p raised power 2 and q is still 1. So it means q is only one variable there. So that's why p square q. This is third part. And fourth part, if you are talking about fourth one, so 4p cube into minus 3p square. No, not 3p square, only 3p. So 4 3 are 12. Is it okay? But the minus sign is there. So minus 12. P raised to power 3 plus 1, that will give you 4. So these are the answer of first, second, third, fourth part. And fifth is also very easy. And you know that if the anything multiply, any numbers multiply with 0, it will again gives you 0 back. So these are very easy questions. Okay. Question number second. Find the area of rectangle with the following pairs of monomials as their length and width. Actually, these are length and width are given. So area of rectangle, everyone know that area of rectangle, that is L into B. Okay. So you need to simply multiply these terms which are written, means monomials which are written in the brackets separately. There is two polynomials are given, monomials simply. So let us try to solve first part, p comma q. That means let us try this one L, this one B. So area will be given as L into B, that is simply P into Q, PQ. And second part, 10m into 5 times n. So it's very easy. Now again area will be given in this way, that is 50 mn. Okay. Simply third one, if we solve 20x square, that means area is equal 20x square into 5y square. So 25s are 100, right? 25s are 100 and x square and y square. This is the area of the next rectangle. Similarly, you will do this fourth and fifth. So do the remaining part yourself. Okay, I'm moving on to the question number third. Let us move on. Question number third is the table form questions. So let us, this is means you have to solve this question in your textbook. No need to draw the table in notebook. You just solve this question in your textbook only, right? Let's make it zoom little bit, and it will be more easy to see the screen clearly. Now let us, first polynomial means first column will be written in this way, and second column will be written in this way. Okay. Now as it was given in the, we have to find the means complete the table with the multiplication of the given two polynomials, that is monomial. So here the multiplication will come of the actually intersection of the both the cells. If you have seen in the Excel sheets, suppose this is A and this is B, then how you will write the address of the cell, that is this one A1 and this one B1. So A1 B1 or somewhere written B1 A1. Okay, let us suppose this one A1, this one A2. Okay, so in this way, if the address will be given in this way, then you will find your multiplication of, this is suppose B, so B1, B2. In the Excel sheet you have seen, but I am not going to that part. Just means here how they are getting, means their intersecting point. You can draw these line, then you will get the answer easily. Means you have to multiply this one and this one. So you will get 2 are 4x square. It's very easy. Now second, if you are talking about this cell, what the answer will come? So this number will come here and this number. That means 2x into minus 5y. It will gives you minus 10x y. Very easy. So minus 10x y. Okay. Similarly, if you find here, so 3x square and 2x means in this row, I'm talking about this row, 2x is multiply with each number, then you will get the answers of these blocks. Okay, so this is your means minus 10xy. If 3x square is multiplied with this thing, that will gives you 6x cube, minus 4xy multiplied by 2x, that will give you minus 8x square y, and 7 to are 14 x cube y, and 9 to are 18 x cube y square. And this way means now 2x is multiplied with this one, that will gives you minus 10xy. Simply go this way, minus, oh okay, now look at minus minus, it will gives you plus 25y square, because you know that minus minus do you multiply, the answer will give you in positive. Now 5y is multiplied by 3x square, 5 are 15 x square y already there, 4 5s are 20, x will be there, and y power 2, because here y is there and here y power make it a y power 2, because you know that in multiplication y gives you y square, right? Similarly, 7 5s are 35, and x square y square minus sign, because 7 is plus, minus 5 is minus, that's why minus 35. In 9 5s are 45, plus sign because minus is there, x square and y cube. Similarly, 3 2 are 6 x cube, 5 3 are 15 x square y. Okay, minus sign will be there. Yeah, definitely. 3 3 are 9 x power 2, no 4, and 4 3 are 12 minus 12 x cube y, because x2 is there, 1 is there, so x cube make it, and 7 3 are 21 x power 4 y, because x power 2 and x power 2. So 9 3 are 27 x power 4 y power 2. And simply you will complete this table with your own 3 parts. Do DIY means do it yourself. Similar same process you will follow, you will get answers of these things. Now open the volume of rectangular boxes with the following length, width, height. So rectangular boxes means simply it was, if you have seen rectangular boxes, the shape of rectangular boxes will be cube type or cuboid type. When it will be cube, when it will be cuboid, cube means all edges will be equal. And here edges will not be equal. This is a simple concept. Means simply if the edge of a rectangular box equal, then it will be cube. If the edges will not be equal, means any of the edges will be different from others two edges or others of any of the edges. Means simply if they are not equal, then cuboid. If they are equal, then it will be cube, right? Okay, so let us try to solve these questions. Means we have to multiply these three monomials. Means simply 4 and 5 giving you the concept of multiplication of monomial more than 2. So let us start. Now first part. 5a into 3a square into 7a power 4. So one times you will firstly multiply 2 at once, then whatever the answer getting, multiply 7a raised to power 4. If you are able to do the direct multiplication, you can do. But first question I will try to solve with the multiplication in pairs. So 5 CR 15, a raised to power 1 and 2 gives you 3, and 7 a raised to power 4. So now 15 sevens are 105, a raised to power 3 plus 4. So it will gives you 105 a raised to power 7. Okay. Now second question, 2 times p, 4 times q, and 8 times r. It's very easy. If you will multiply direct with direct means, you can do. So 8 4 to are 8, 8 are 64, means 64 p q r. And third one, xy multiply 2x square y multiply 2xy square. Now look at, firstly you will focus on numbers only. So 2 2 are 4, and x how many times? X 2 power, 1 power, and 1 power. It will makes you 4 power, x raised to power 4, and y raised to power simply 4, because 1 2 1 1 2 2 2 4. Okay, you will use the exponent law, exponents of law of exponents, that everyone know that a into a raised to power m plus a raised to power n is equals to a raised to power m plus n. Okay, so use this concept. So first, second, third is okay. Fourth one, do yourself. This is your DIY. And fifth question, obtain the product of first xy, yz, zx. So look at first part, xy, yz, zx will give you, look at x is twice, x raised to power 2, y twice, y raised to power 2, z twice, z power 2. This is the answer, very easy. Second one, a comma minus a square, or you simply multiply directly, and a cube. So will give you here, just give me a minute, a multiply a square into a cube, it just give you a raised to power 1 2 3 3 3 6. And what about the sign? because minus sign is there. So the multiplication of this one gives you minus, and again this one gives you minus. So finally minus sign will be came over there. Now for third part, if I'm talking about 2 into 4y into 8y square into 16y cube. So it will gives you 4 to our 8. 8 eights are 64. Okay. So firstly 8y into 8y square into 16y cube. Now this one gives you 64y cube into 16y cube. So now look, 16 fours are 64, 6 carry, 16 6 are 90, it's 96, and 6 give you 102. Okay, so 1024 into y raised to power 3 plus 3, this will gives you 6. Okay. Okay, so we have completed up to question third part. Let us continue with the fourth one. This one, that is A multiply 2B multiply 3C multiply 6ABC. So it will gives you, there is 3 ABC constant, and firstly we have to focus on the numbers. So 2 3 are 6, 6 6 are 36. In A, how many is 1 2? So A raised to power 2. B, how many is 1 and 2? That again B square, and C is also 2. So 36 A square, B square, C square. You just firstly focus on the multiplication of numbers, then after the variables. Okay, so the last question of this exercise, that is fifth one, M into minus Mn into M and P. It will give you, now look at, there is no numbers, so only, so definitely minus sign will be there because of this sign. So focus on the variable 1 2 3. M is 3, so M power 3. N is 2, N is power 2. P is single, so M cube N square. P is the correct answer. Okay, with their negative sign. So exercise 9.2 is completed. Now moving on to the next exercise, that is 9.3. So let us just wait for a minute. I will move on to the next exercise 9.3. I hope the screen is visible. 9.3 exercise. So now in this exercise we will just learn about multiplication of monomial by binomial and monomial by trinomial. These things we will study in the 9.2 9.2 exercise. We have done monomial by monomials, right? In this exercise, monomial by binomial and monomial by trinomial we will study, right? So let us start exercise 9.3. Question number first. So let's I will make it quite zoom. Okay. So carry out the multiplication of expression in each of the following pairs. Means now we have to multiply. So look at first part. 4 times P multiply Q plus R. Okay. So 4P into Q means the number which outside the bracket, which will be multiplied with both the numbers. Means here we are using basically distributive property. What is the distributive property? That is, suppose A multiply B plus C is there. Just give me a minute. Okay. So 4p into q plus sign. So the property is this one, a multiply b plus c, a multiply b. Okay. So we have to follow this property. Whatever the outside, we have to multiply with both the numbers simply. So 4p into q done, 4p into r. So if you will simplify this one, 4pq, 4pr. This is the solution of first question. I hope this very easy. This is very easy actually. So let us second part. I will continue second one. AB is multiplied with A minus B. As you have seen in this first question, this one is your monomial, this one is your binomial because two terms and this one term. And similarly, this one is monomial, this one is binomial. So the same process, AB is multiplied with A minus AB is multiplied with B, right? I mean, this one multiplied with this thing and this one is multiplied with this number. So here it will give you a square b minus ab square. This is the answer. Okay. Similarly, we will solve the third one. Just give me a minute. I will erase the extra part which are written. You have to write only these things. Okay. That definitely there is equal sign. Okay. Third part. That is a plus b and multiply 7a square b square. Now look at the way that's written. The monomial will be written right hand side, so there is no problem. You can write this one 7a square b for your convenience. In this way, there is no problem. So now 7a square b is multiplied with a plus 7a square b is multiplied with b. So it will give you 7a cube b plus 7a square b square. This is the answer for the third question, third part I'm talking about. Okay. Similarly, we will solve fourth and fifth. So I'm just clearing the screen. Now try to solve fourth one. So here you will multiply 4a into a square minus 9. So 4a is multiplied with a square minus 4a is multiplied with 9 because minus sign is there. So keep it minus. If minus is there, then minus. If plus is there, then plus. 4a cube minus 9 fourths are 36 a. This is the answer. And its answer is 0 directly because 0 is multiplied with any of the number. You know that will gives you 0. So I'm not solving this one because this one automatically gives you 0 answer. Okay. Now complete the table for second question. Let us try to solve this question. This is your means a monomial. This is trinomial. Trinomial, monomial, monomial, trinomial, monomial, binomial, trinomial, monomial. Means simply here monomials by trinomial is the process going on, and also monomial into binomial is also there in some questions. So this one is just binomial now. That's why here we call this monomial by binomial. So let us find the product of this one. So that means A is multiplied with B plus C plus D. So you will simply write here AB plus AC plus AD because this number will multiply all the three numbers, right? So this way you will get the values. And for second part, if I'm talking about 5xy is multiplied with x plus y minus 5 will give you 5xy. Now look, x is there, x is there, x is square y I'm writing directly. Try to understood, otherwise you will do one more step here, like 5xy into x and plus sign 5xy into y. There is minus, so minus sign 5xy into 5. So this will gives you 5x square y plus 5xy square minus 25xy. Look at it, there is no extra number except 1. So 5 is simply here, but here 5 5s are 25. So this is the answer for second one. Similarly, you will solve third, fourth, fifth yourself. Okay. Third, fourth, fifth, you will, otherwise I will solve, no problem. So P is multiplied with this one. So simply I'm writing P into 6P square minus 7P plus 5. It will gives you 6P cube minus 7P square plus 5P. Means P is multiplied with this one, and this one. And keep the sign as it is, that is given in the brackets. 6p cube minus 7p square, because p is there, to power 2, 5p simply, right? And here if you will solve, so 4p square q square is multiplied by p square minus q square. So that will give you 4p square q square into p square minus 4p square q square into q square. So simply it will gives you 4p power 4 and q power 2, because p is 2 means p power 2, or you can say p square. So it gives you p raised to power 4 minus 4 times p square q raised to power 4, because q power 2 is there and q square is there. Simply, it's very simple thing, sir. So answers will be coming in this way: 4p power 4 q square minus 4p square q raised to power 4. And for the last part, ABC is multiplied with A plus B plus C. It will gives you A square B, simply C, A square B C. If you multiply with this one, because A is there, so A square plus A B square C, because B is there, and plus A B C square. This way the table will be completed. The answer will be this one for this question. Okay, so let us now question number third. Try to solve question number third. Just give me a minute, I will make it down a little bit. Okay, so question number third. Now look, this one is a product of three monomials. This one is monomial. Okay, so we have to just find the product. So look, a square, look at the number. Firstly, focus on numbers 2, 4. That will be 4's to our 8. Okay, 4's to our 8, and a raised to power 2 plus 22 plus 26. Because you know that if this way there means base is same, then the powers will be added for a raised to power m and o. Suppose o is there, so a raised to power m plus n plus o, because three things are written over there, but the base will be same, so powers will be only added simply. So 8 a raised to power, this will give you 24, 26, this will give you 50. So a raised to power 8 times a raised to power 50 is the correct answer for the first part. Okay. Okay. Now, second question, second part I'm doing. Look at there, 2 upon 3 xy into, okay, if means I just simplify this one, because question is already there. Why should I am writing again? 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, right? And 3 1s are 3, 3 3 are 9. That means in the numerator minus 3 is there, and the denominator, that is 5. 3 1s are 3, because of this minus sign, minus sign, 5 ones are 5, and xy, that will x1 is x power 1, x power 2, that will give you 1 plus 2, y power 1 plus 2 again. So minus 3 upon 5, x power 3, y power 3. Is it? This is the process, or this is the answer for the second one. Okay. Now similarly, if you're talking about this one, so 5 ones are 5, 5 2 are 10. Oh, 3 ones are 3, 3 2 are 6. Okay, that means in the denominator nothing will be there, because 1 into 1 simply 1. So no need to write anything in denominators, only focus on the numerator. 2 2 are 4. Because of this minus sign, minus will be there, and p cube into p cube cube, this one, because 2 2 are 4, it will be multiplied. So 6 upon 5, 10 upon 3 will remove the minus 4, p power 4, because 1 3 4 and 3 1 4. So this is the answer for the third one, and this is very easy. X raised power, because there is no number, so 1 2 3 3 3 6 6 4 10. X raised power 10 will be the correct answer for the fourth part. It's very easy, right? So question number 4 is completed from my side. Let us go ahead and continue with for the question number 4. Simplify this one and find its value for x is equal to 3, x is equal to 1 upon 2. Now look at the fourth A question. This is important because something new we need to find. Means firstly they are saying that simplify this one, then put down the value for x is equal to 3. So let us write the expression firstly. 3x 4x minus 5 plus 3, and you know that there is a multiplication sign, but it is not given. It's common sense. Now firstly we will simplify this one firstly. So 3x into 4x minus sign, 3x into 5 plus 3, because 3 is there, 3 is not multiplied with 3x, because 3 is separate and the bracket only in these two numbers only. So that's why 3x multiplied with these two terms, not 3. 4 3 are 12, x square 15x plus 3. So this is now the polynomial coming, and for first part x is equals to 3. Look at this. Here is the important thing. What is the meaning of this one? X is equal to 3. The meaning of this one is x is equal to 3. That means you have to put down x is equal to 3 in the product that we got of this one. That means here. So 12 into 3 square minus 15 into 3 plus 3. Because you know that between 12 and x square there is a multiplication sign. There is multiplication sign. It's a common thing now. So everyone know that. I'm not going to explain these things more. So 12 into 9 minus 15, 3 are 45 plus 3. Now here you have to focus on only the calculation part only. Means these parts only checking that your calculation means skills, nothing else. So 12 into 9 gives you 108 minus 45 plus 3. So firstly we have to add this one, then whatever the answer we will subtract 45. Okay, so it will gives you 111 minus 45. So it will gives you 11. From 11 that will be 5 subtracted, that will be 6, and 10 4 6 66 is the correct answer for the first part. Okay, means the answer of this one for x is equal to 3 will gives you 66. Okay, now for the second part, means we have to put down x is equal to 1 upon 2. So let us, I'm solving for the second part. I'm clearing this first part. Second part for, okay, just give me a minute. What is the expression that we got? This is the expression. That means I need to write this one again. 15x plus 3. Now I will clear this screen, right? So this will gives you 12 into 1 upon 2 whole square minus 15 into 1 upon 2 plus 3. Okay, so 12 into 1 upon 2 square, if you solve 1 upon 4 gives you minus 15 upon 2 plus 3. So 4 CR 12. Okay, 4 CR 12. Now 3 minus 15 upon 2 plus 3. So 3 gives you 6 minus 15 upon 2. Take the LCM and solve it. 2 is the LCM, 2, 1. LCM of 2 and 1 will be 2. And 6 2 are 12 minus 15. That means if you subtract 12 minus 15 gives you minus 3 upon 2, because 15 minus 12, that will be 3. The sign of this one will be minus because of 15 is bigger number, right? The answer of this one will be minus 3 upon 2. Okay. Okay. Now let us solve question number. B part is remaining, so I'm solving B part now. Now simplify this one firstly. So a bracket a square plus a plus 1 means simply you have to simplify a cube plus a square plus a. If you multiply this one inside, so you will get this thing, and plus 5 is also there, so plus 5 is also there because of this question. So now for first part, this is B. For first part, a is equals to 0. That means we have to put down a in this expression will be 0. So 0 cube plus 0 square plus 0 plus 5 gives you simply 5, because all the things will be 0. So it's very easy. And for a is equals to 1, put down a is equals to 1 there. So 1 cube plus 1 square plus 1 plus 5. Okay. So this is very easy. 1 cube plus 1 square plus 1 plus 5. So simply you will get 5 3 8. 1 2 3 3 5 8. So answer of this one will be 8. This one will be 5. And for a is equals to minus 1, third part is also given. Let us solve that one also. So minus 1 cube. Please focus on this part. Well, this is important. Plus minus 1 square plus of minus 1 plus 5. So if you know that the cube of negative numbers will remain cube minus, so minus 1, and square of negative number will always gives you positive number, and this one is simply 1 power, means negative power odd will be always gives you 1 negative number plus 5. So this one will cancel out, because you know that the opposite sign but the same number will cancel out. Now 5 and minus 1, 5 and minus 1, so that will be subtracted. So 5 minus 1 gives you 4. So the answer of this one will be 4. This one will be 8. This one will be 5. That I have solved here for the fourth question, both part A and B. Okay. Now the last part, we have to add them, add and subtract. Okay, so first we have to simplify, then add. Okay. Okay. Let us try to solve fifth question. First A part. Add p bracket p minus q plus q minus r plus r times r minus p. So firstly we have to simplify this. So this is very easy. P square p into p square minus pq plus q into q, that is q square minus qr, and plus r into r square minus rp, that is simply rp. So p square plus q square plus r square because all है positive sign, तो p square plus q square plus r square. Now minus pq minus qr minus rp. Okay, so minus pq minus qr minus rp is the answer of this first expression if you add them all the three, right? Similarly, for second addition, you will do yourself. Second addition yourself. I am doing C part, subtraction of any of the things. Means C and D both I will solve, don't worry. Because B, G, G you can do yourself. Okay. So subtract, as I told in subtraction, after written from, keep it firstly, then keep it later after the minus sign, the written terms before from. So firstly we will solve this one. 4L 10N minus 3M plus 2L minus sign 3L bracket L minus 4M plus 5N. This is the question. Okay. So firstly simplify this one completely. So 4L will multiply with 10N, that will gives you 40 ln minus 3 4 are 12 lm plus 4 to our 8 L square. Okay, 4 to our 8 L square, because you know that there is a multiplication sign, it's an obvious thing. Now minus sign, don't change sign right now because I am not changing the brackets. I'm just only multiplying 3L inside this one. So 3L square minus 4 CR 12 LM and plus 3 5s are 15 LN. Okay, now I will open this bracket. Okay, so 40 ln minus 12 lm plus 8 L square minus 3 L square plus 12 lm. Because you know that if the square brackets will be open, because of this sign, the sign will be changed. Minus 15 ln. Now find the like term. This one is like term to this one. So 40 minus 15, because both are of opposite sign, so they will be subtracted. दोनों का साइन अपोजिट है तो इस वजह से क्या हो जाएगा, सब्ट्रैक्ट हो जाएगा. तो आंसर क्या आएगा आपका, दैट इज 40 minus 15 will gives you 25 ln with positive sign, because 40 having plus sign, right? This one and this one both having same quantity, same number, but the sign is opposite, so they will cancel out, right? And 8L square and 3L square both have like term, but this is plus, this is minus, so they will be subtracted and sign will come up plus sign because of this 8. And 8L square minus 3L square, that will be 5L square. Now this is the answer for this one, for C part, right? Okay, now for D part. Let us solve D part. Firstly, we have to write this one, 4C minus A minus, sorry, plus B plus C minus sign. Let us write in bigger bracket because two terms are there, two main terms are there. है तो बहुत सारे, but two are main. 3A plus B plus C minus 2B A minus B plus C, because this is quite tough. Because this one, keep solve firstly this one, or you may solve this one later, because right now there is no work, but firstly we have to simplify this thing. Okay, so let us write this one same right now, but if you want you can do. Now this one we need to solve this one firstly. Let us see what is the answer of this square bracket, right? Because if square bracket is solved, then it will be easy. So 3a will multiply with the all the things. 3a multiply with a, that will gives you 3a square. 3a multiply with b gives you 3ab, and 3a multiply with c gives you 3ac, right? And because now this is minus sign, the sign of this one will be changed when you are multiplying. So 2b and a gives you 2ab. Because of this plus sign, it will gives you minus. Because of this plus sign, this negative sign, it will comes up positive. 2b square, 2b into b gives you 2b square, and 2b in plus c, it will gives you minus 2bc. Why? Because I'm directly multiplying minus 2b inside this, that's why the bracket sign will be changed. Mean this one becomes negative, this one becomes negative, this one becomes positive, right? Okay, so now we need to solve this one. So 4 times ac with their negative sign because of this sign, this a, and 4 bc because b and c is there, and 4c square. Now this minus sign, okay, so we have to change this all the numbers. But firstly, if anything will be solvable, let us solve. So 3a square is simply one place, so 3a square. Now 3ab, ab will be there, both are opposite signs, so it will be subtracted and gives you ab. 3ab minus 2ab gives you ab only, and ac is there, not bc, so 3ac, and rest thing will be remain as it is, 2bc. Now open the brackets. Now open the brackets. 4ac plus 4bc plus 4c square minus 3a square minus ab minus 3ac minus 2b square plus 2bc. Because I have opened the bracket, the sign of this, all the things will be changed up to bc in last. Now try to find the like term. ac, is there ac? Yeah, both having negative sign. Look at that. So they will be added, right? So minus 7 ac. Now bc term, bc is there, yes, bc is there, both having plus sign, so 6 bc, right? And c square, there will be no c square, so keep it remain same, 4c square. Okay, now a square will be there, minus 3 square, so keep it remain same, there is no change, 3a square, and ab done, this ab, okay, ab not done. So in this ab will be, there is no other terms of ab anywhere, so keep it remain same, minus ab. Let us write this one in the top because there will be hodgepodge looks like here. So look at 4ac minus 3ac gives you minus 7ac. bc and bc gives you 4 to 6 bc with their plus sign. 4 now rest will be written same because there is no repetition of the terms. 3a square minus ab minus 2b square. So this is the answer. Or if you will write in proper way, write in ascending or descending order of the powers, you will write minus 3a square minus 2b square plus 4c square minus ab, that will be minus ab plus bc plus 6bc and minus ac, that is 7ac. So this way is the correct answer. Okay, now this way the exercise of 9.3 will be solved. Okay, I hope you understood this exercise, solution of this exercise. Please make the practice at least once more at your home. Okay. Now I'm going to clear the screen and also going to over the class. I hope you understood these things. Okay, so I'm stopping my screen sharing. Okay. Okay, so next we will study the next exercise solution, that is 9.4. Okay, but it was tomorrow, not today. So bye bye from here. See you tomorrow.